DFW Airport, cloudy, 66. Dew point 61. Relative humidity 84%. Wind north at 16. Pressure 29.88 inches. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 415, effective until midnight Central Daylight Time Monday. This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Ellis and Kaufman. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The current time is 7:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time. You are listening to NOAA All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station KEC 56, serving the Dallas-Fort Worth listening area. The following reports of weather temperature and wind were made at 7